The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Mr. Dancehall there again. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, viewers and subscribers, you know, this is one I'm gonna talk to about. Me I said, Jano, this is like something where me just can't understand what make the crime and violence buck in Jamaica. So I mean, every day is something different. You know, something. You see me I say, me don't know what make the people them just turn to violence all the while, but Jano. But here we are going, viewers and subscribers. There's reports out there that says that a mechanic had been charged for the killing of a male and a female, right? Now, the male is said to be 64 years old and the female is said to be 49 years old. And according to reports, it is said that both these persons are from an address that is known as Theresa Road, that is of Green Acres, that is in the parish of St. Catherine, that is of the country of Jamaica. It is said that the mechanic had been charged for this double murder by the police on Saturday, which is the 7th of March 2020. And it is said that the mechanic had been charged for the double murder that had happened on the 1st of March 2020. Now, according to reports, it is said that the male and the female who are the victims, which is now deceased, it is said that both persons were going to enter their home when they had been attacked by a person. Remember now, they said a person, you see me? Now, according to reports, it is said that during a struggle between the attacker and the two persons, it is said that the male had been shot. Now, I do not have any information as to how many times the male had been shot or so on, but however, you know, it is said that the male had been shot and it is said that the female ran to the back of the house trying to escape the attacker. Now, according to reports, it is said that the attacker chased the female and stabbed the female multiple times. Is what I'm saying to you, viewers and subscribers. Now, according to reports, it is said that at some point the police had been alerted about the situation or the incident that had happened, and it is said that they had arrived and take both the female and male and bring them to the hospital, where it is said that both persons had been pronounced dead. You see me? Now, according to reports, it is said that later on the mechanic was picked up by the police and had been questioned in the presence of his attorney. All right, and according to reports, it is said that the mechanic is set to appear in court on the 13th of March 2020. You see me? So, viewers and subscribers, a man is innocent until proven guilty. You see what I'm saying to you? And I saw the thing set. You see me? Now, when it comes on to things like this, you know, you have to say accused. You get what I said to you? So as some look at it, me just say accused. If you notice how me explain it so the person, them say attacker and differently, you see me? And even though the report say is the mechanic get charged for this double murder, but during the explanation of this whole thing, you know, I rather to explain it, you know, a certain ways, because some of the times I might never know, you know. You might frighten for know, say the person that them said do it might not be the person who do it still, you see me? But at the same time, whether the person do it or not, you know, the crime and violence in Jamaica just get too much, you know, it's just too much. So me I say, but anyways, viewers and subscribers, I just want to leave it, you know, you don't know me Dancehall, I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it, make you know what I go on, and you can make me know to think about something like this that happened, alright? So until the next time, my name is Dancehall, big up on yourself, you see it.